To display color animation as the screensaver when you charge your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to set color as the screensaver. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen to the bottom. Tap screensaver and then select color. If needed, you can tap preview button to see how this screensaver looks like when it's active. By selecting the screensaver, now when you are charging your phone, and the screen is turned off automatically. As you can see, your phone will display color animation as the screensaver. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.